Since the launch of our new video, people were ecstatic all over the social media, and most important, seeing the marketing dollars spent actually turn into dollar amounts. My name is Jim Wang, and I'm the general manager for Weds Wheels North America. We had a new product that's been in development for 3 years, one of our racing wheels. We wanted to create a promotional videos with a different eye than everybody else. We interviewed 5 different companies. We decided to go with Klein Creative Media. Instead of telling us their idea, they were listening to us, they grasped what we wanted, at the same time offering different ideas. Once we saw the Emmy Awards, that gave me a boost of confidence. But it also, at the same time, it did prompt about the cost factor. What is this going to cost? We definitely had a budget that we had to work with, and very, very happy to say they were able to meet the budget. It's a very collaborative working experience. It's almost like they're trying to be part of our team. I think it brings a lot of value to the team. Accuracy is something that's very, very important to us. They're not afraid to ask questions. They got it. The first preview, we were happy. They really captured the center point of what we want to depict in the video. Klein Creative Media really displayed their level of professionalism. It's very refreshing, and it definitely showed up on our video. The ROI tracking is definitely great. We cannot keep the product on the shelf. The impact of the video has a huge contribution to that. We look forward to extend our relationship and hopefully to work on more projects together in the future.